President Joe Biden nominated Ketanji Brown Jackson to the Supreme Court on Friday, setting in motion a historic confirmation process for the first black woman to sit on the highest court in the nation. Today, as we watch freedom and liberty under attack abroad, I am here to fulfill my responsibilities under the Constitution to preserve freedom and liberty here in the United States of America, Biden said at the White House as he introduced Jackson. For too long, our government, our courts have not looked like America, Biden said. I believe it's time that we have a court that reflects the full talents and greatness of our nation with a nominee of extraordinary qualifications, and that we inspire all young people to believe that they can one day serve their country at the highest level. Senate Democratic leaders hope to have a vote confirming Jackson to the court by mid-April. Jackson, 51, currently sits on DC's Federal Appellate Court and had been considered the front runner for the vacancy since Justice Stephen Breyer announced his retirement. I must begin these very brief remarks by thanking God for delivering me to the point in my professional journey. My life has been blessed beyond measure, and I do know that one can only come this far by faith, Jackson said. Among my many blessings, and indeed the very first, in the fact that I was born in this great country, she added. The United States of America is the greatest beacon of hope and democracy the world has ever known. I was also blessed from my early days to have had a supportive and loving family. My mother and father, who have been married for 54 years, are at their home in Florida right now, and I know that they could not be more proud. Thought streak. The choice of Jackson will not change the ideological makeup of the court. The court currently has 6 conservative justices and 3 liberal justices, and the retiring Breyer come from the liberal camp. The court is already paused to congestion and continue its turn towards the right with high-profile cases and ruling expected from the court in the coming months on abortion, gun control, and religion liberty issues. Biden met with Jackson for her Supreme Court interview earlier this month, a senior administration official said in a meeting that the White House managed to keep secret. Jackson received and accepted Biden's offer in a call Thursday night, a source familiar with the decision told CNN, yet was present for DC Circuit Court hearing Friday morning. The White House considers delaying the announcement given the Russian invasion in Ukraine, but believed it was critical to get the second phase of the confirmation process moving, the official said. Thank you. Please subscribe and share my channel. Biden's pick is a chance for him to fire up a Democratic base that is less excited to vote in the year's midterm elections that it has been over the past several election cycles. The selection given Biden a chance to deliver on one of his top campaign promises, and he held hope that the black voters who were critical to his election will see this as a return on this investment.